Hello, good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? Well, today is another beautiful Saturday. And, guys, I love Sabado. Pati na rin linggo. Yes, what do we have for today? Tweenie, come on, join me.
Destiny, what's up? What's up?
Yes, we're gonna cook chicken mommy.
Wow, I like that.
Chicken noodle soup. Ang ating mga sangkap? Well,
Panggisa.
eto na. At paano ba magluto ng masarap na chicken mommy? First, saute the garlic and onion. Then, drop the chicken strips. Sangkot sa hen. And after that, timplahan na yan, guys, ng salt and pepper. Okay? Gisa-gisa. Gisa-gisahin lang. Pag medyo okay na, at naaamoy ng kanyang aroma, well, isunod na ang kanyang mga veggies. We have here thin slices of Baguio beans, Chinese pechay, and the kulay-full carrots. O, di ba, Tweenie?
Oo naman.
Then, we have here the chicken stock. We have to put this to a boil in a separate pan. Okay? Habang kumukulo yan, kulo lang ng kulo. Diba? Masarap ang hot soup nito, guys. Hot and spicy. I-drop na rin ang ating mami or ating Chinese noodles. Guys, you have to blanch this first before dropping dun sa boiling stock. Okay? Yan, luto na. Alam ko, luto na yan, ha? I'll show you how to do it later. At paghalu-haluin na lahat ang sangkap na to sa kumukulong chicken stock. And to complete our lunch, Tweenie, we have our bangus belly. I'm going to fry them and just season it with salt and pepper.
Yes.
Salt and pepper,
As simple as that.
Yeah, that would be more than enough. Parang simple lang ang ating Sabado lunch, mga kapatid.
Fried
Diba?
fish and noodles. Chicken
Yes,
mommy.
chicken mommy noodles. Well, guys, samahan nyo kami and let's cook. But before that, meron pa pala tayo ditong hindi na-flex na ingredients. Pagluto na, guys, pwede nang iibabaw.
Sapaw.
Isapaw ang ating, I have here the frozen celery stalks and frozen leeks, diba? I have them in my freezer. Kasi ang dami lagi binili ni Hubby before. Nang hinayang ako, well, pwede pala silang naman i-frozen.
At gagamitin natin ngayon, Twinnie.
Correct.
Oo.
So yan, guys. Let's cook.
Tara, tara.
Tara, let's cook, guys.
Let's make our Sabado.
Yes, I love Sabado, pati na rin linggo. Eto, nagpiprito na tayo ng ating bangus belly. O diba, ang saya-saya, mga kapatid. Pero, isang magandang tip, bago natin sila iprito, thinly coat them with just flour, all-purpose flour, para minimal lang ang kanilang talsik. Alam nyo naman, ang bangus, guys, pag prito, talagang matalsik ito. O, diba? Take it from me. Ayan, na-flip na natin ang bangus belly. Ang ganda ng pagka-brown niya, guys, diba? Ganyan, dapat ang pagka-prito. Crispy yan. Yummy. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong ating masarap na sausawan. At habang nagpiprito tayo ng bangus belly, well, eto na, nagisa na rin natin ang gulay, ang Baguio beans, carrots, at ang strips ng chicken. Ito para sa ating chicken mommy. Yeah, ito guys, nagisa na natin to. Pakuluan na natin ang ating chicken stock. Yes, guys. Yan, boiling hot ang ating soup for the chicken mami. In a little while, maluluto na to at ita-drop na natin ang mga noodles dyan. Okay? Yes, our chicken noodles is done. Guys, look at it. Very inviting. And our chicken stock made our chicken mummy pak na pak. And the best way to eat this is slurping the hot soup and chopsticking the chicken meat together with the noodles and veggies. Yahoo! Heaven! And we have here our fried belly, bangus belly, at ang pinaka, the best na sausawan, guys. Try this. Soy sauce, labuyo, calamansi, and minced garlic. Woo! The best. And the best way as well to eat this chicken mami, we have our hot chili garlic sauce. Yahoo! Come on, Tweenie. Let's devour. And our meal is never complete without this super sweet pink lady papayas here. Nako, ayan. Dalawang hiwa lang yan. Tag-isa tayo.
Okay,
diba?
let's start with the fruit, Tweenie. It's
Yes.
better to eat fruit first.
The best yan. Isang tip yan na maganda, Tweenie, di ba?
Oo, para yung vitamin, ma-retain siya. Hindi
Yes.
magiging acid.
Yes. Fruits first before meal. So guys, here is our chicken mami topped with hard-boiled egg. Look at that. Woohoo! Can't wait to eat this. Okay, Tweenie?
Join us.
Join us,
Come on.
guys. It's a Saturday sumptuous lunch. And ready na. Go, go, go.
Enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy, guys. Have a great weekend. Yes. God bless us all.
Bye.
Bye, guys.